Hello everybody, this is Sabrina from Faileas Creations, and I have a bead haul. Now this is an amazing one, and generally nobody ever believes me. So the last video I did, I had gotten some findings from a thrift store, and there were so many calls that they raised the price of it. So you got to be careful with that. But anywho, I went to the beach. I went to Charleston for me and my husband for our anniversary and for my birthday. It's wonderful that it falls together. It's a nice big event. So I was down, while I was there, he had heard of this bead store and he surprised me. And we had done so much at Charleston, and I was so tired. So Sunday when we was leaving, I thought, you know what? I don't want to ruin this without going by the bead store. And thank God I did, because they're going out of business. And everything in the store was 75% off. 75% off. And, I want to be careful because, again, we was in Charleston all weekend. And I didn't want to spend too much money. But I want to show you what I got. Look here. Y'all see these big bags? We're going to go through them. Don't worry about it. $2. $2 for this bag full of beads. And when I seen the beads and I seen the price, and I do, don't get me wrong, I appreciate the deal, but I couldn't help but tell them, why would you put orange beads in a $2 bag so close to Halloween, so close to Thanksgiving? The fall season and oranges is used, and oh my goodness, I don't know if y'all ever seen any of my spider videos, but I can make spiders out of this. But anyway, I mean, they're lost. So here's all the bags, and I want to put this to the side. I'm gonna go through real quick the non-bag stuff, and this right here is the price. I have never in my life, I've always shared anytime, we're on here. And I'm going to tell you something. Not this time. Can't do it. I can't do it. But, I don't know if you can see without me showing the thing. So this right here was $30. Because I put it on 2 cords. And this was the 6. $36 for all of this. So let's start at this. This right here, I know I've been doing beads and beadwork for a long time, but this is my first one that I ever have gotten, so I can't wait to try this. This was $3.25, but again, 75% off. And these are these are really cute for when I do my spiders. They're what is it? Hex Miyuki. Look at that. These are 3-hole beads. Little bitty metallic gun. What is these called? These are called spacer beads, I think. Demi rounds is what they're called. These are some little bitty beads, but real pretty. Some more. It's 15 O's, 11 O's. They're really small though. Look at that color. Isn't that pretty? What color is that? That is Pats Montana. I don't know. I do not know. But it's like this deep, pretty, like a deep blue or something. You see. Oh, and I got this. I think I have 2. I have 2 of these. I don't know where the other one is. And they're just plain old 4x3 rondelles. These was $3 for $4 plus 75% off. So look at there. That's really pretty. Big leaf. These are little bitty leaves. I have an idea that I'm going to do for these. So again, these was $4 is what it said. Start off as $4.10. Then it 75% off. So these was 50 cents for all of these. 50 cents for this old little thing right there. I can always use these clear beads. Price was really good, so I had to grab them. I love this color. You see the purples, and you see the these are purple jasper. Look at that, ain't that pretty, the color in them? Another bit of the clear ones there. And this right here, oh, sorry. This right here I got, I think this will make a real pretty, all these shapes like this will make a real pretty ring. Little spiked ring. We'll see. We'll see how that goes. Okay, then everything's going to be pushed to the side here. Hopefully I don't lose anything. And these bags. Again, these are $2 for this. Look at that. These are nanos. These, I'm going to make so many spiders with these. I love that, the color. I don't know what kind of color this is. Oh, it's, what's it? Yeah, see it? A clear green. Here's some more aquas. Right now, these small beads, the like this, really good for spiders. Let me take this out. And I love this. This shiny black. I don't think this is called gun, but love that color. Love the, you know, people call them different. I've heard these called oil beads or rainbow beads or whatever, but I don't know if the camera's picking it up. But they're like a bunch of different colors. And another one there. This whole bag. Oh, another of the green. I made something with these last time. I can't remember, but okay. So that is this bag. Again, this bag, $2. This looks like it's the same type of beads in there. Nothing is new. Let me see. No, nothing's new. Maybe this is more the yellow of these bugle beads, but the same colors. And this is the same here. Yep, this is the same here, the same colors. A little bit more of the green. Again, another $2 bag. Orange. Yep, same colors. See there? Another bag. Again, with the same colors in there. I really appreciate this because when I make something big, that's like what I'm going to do with these right here. It makes a big necklace or a bracelet or whatever, and utilize these. So what's that? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. $10 for these bags. This was and 75% off. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Okay, and these are the two last ones. I'm doing pretty good. Trying my very best to make this not last over 10 minutes, but we'll see. This bag was a little more expensive. So this bag was $5. Look at that. Look at this. Oh my goodness, I'm so happy. Look at there. Oh, and trust me, I know a lot of people always say something that I'm not really getting these beads for this price. But I am. And I don't even want to tell you guys where I got them from for right now. Because she's going out of business and I really plan on trying to beg my husband for more money. Look at their lobster claws. Tons of findings. I always use findings. Look at their more lobster claws. Nice big one. That may be able to go in a pocketbook. Look at there. That's really thin. I use that for something to be careful. That's 2. clasp. Look at there. I'm not going to pick through them. Just trying to, I'm sorry, I am trying to pick through them. Show you just a few things. Can't go through the whole thing. So I want to dump this back over. Another clasp. That's nice. Nice big clasp. That's, I can again use them on a pocketbook. Oh, look at them. Oh, butterfly. Oh, a clasp. You know, I have this. I have another bead haul. And I have this one, but I don't have, I didn't have this piece to go with it. That's really cute for it to be a flower. There was one thing that I had seen that I really liked. It's another butterfly. That is awesome. So let's put this back in here, all this wonderful stuff. And we would do the last bag real quick. Can you believe this stuff? Can you though? Oh yeah, I can't share this time. I'm gonna wait until I get maybe another order, and then I'll be right back on here, and I will share with y'all the location and how she's going to get rid of the rest of her store. But yeah, I can't share. I'm horrible for it. Guys, please don't be mad at me. Okay, let's dump this out. See, yeah, this is the bag that I was curious about. I seen this. These cones. Ain't that pretty? But that's why I got in this. This right here was $5.20 originally. This whole bag was $5 for what's in here. And it's just, you know, I mean, that was $5 originally. Ain't that nice? You guys see. And again, more lobster claws. And you know what? It's funny because I grabbed this. Ooh, look at that. Look at that. Can y'all see that? You know what? This is something that I'm going to keep for something for myself. And guys, that's my son playing his music. So, I like that. I've never used them. Ain't that pretty? Oh, look at that. It's a hummingbird clasp. Can you see it? Put my hand behind it. Oh, that's nice. This was originally $4 too. Look at that. This was in that $5 bag. Wow. Guys, y'all know I get really spoiled with getting deals like this. And, you know, look at that. And I'm going to be honest with you. It is tough for me to pay full price for stuff. It really is. It's very tough for me to. You know, I do this because I go crazy sometimes with all the time on my hands. And when I sit and bead, I am just transformed. I really am. And I must really be nice because my husband is more than happy to buy stuff for me. Oh, look at the skull. You see that? Well, guys, until next time. Oh, let me start off again by saying I'm not sharing. I'm not sharing this. Let me have enough time to try to buy more stuff, the stuff that I really need, and then I will let you guys know what this deal is happening at. Oh, look at that. So, until next time, continue beading.